Hello, I'm Zardis, and let's talk trading. So, tonight I want to talk through AMC a little bit. We can talk about what happened today and where I think it might go in the next couple of days. But first, if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can follow along with my updates and my chart analysis. So, now getting into this, I always want to look at the weekly chart first to keep an idea of where things are going in the longer term. And AMC is on an upward trend on the weekly chart, and it continued that this week. You can see this bar here, this candle, and we have moved up higher than we were last week. We have not gone lower than we were, so I consider that to be continuing that upward trend. We'll move to the daily chart, and we're seeing that as well. We hit a lower high briefly, but then we had a higher low, and that signaled that the trend was continuing. And now we've hit another higher high. Today, we went higher than that. Now we have a little bit of a doji style candle here, which signifies that the market is not really sure of what it is doing or where we're going to go. And I would agree with that. It's not quite clear because we had that lower high and then the higher low. I don't know that this is a strong trend. And so that's part of why we have the doji candle there. But let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. And if we come over here, you can see I've drawn a Fibonacci line dating back to the lower low on August 27th, which signaled the shifting of a different trend. It changed there, and then it came up here, and we came back down. And ever since then, we've been pretty tight in this Fibonacci lines and stuff like that. You can see that we had trouble breaking through this level. Then we came back down and hit this one before coming up and finally breaking through. But then we got stuck. We had a big upward movement and got stuck there, but then came back down to this line and kind of bounced back and forth. And then this line here is the 0.5, which isn't officially a Fibonacci line, but a lot of people trace that or use that anyway. And we did see a lot of resistance there as we moved up and down a little bit. Then we finally broke through that today. We broke through this line and we made it up to the next one, but then we came right back down and got stuck in this channel again before briefly breaking above, but then getting pushed down. So what I'm looking for tomorrow is I want to see if it breaks above this line, which is at 47.70. I also want to see it break above 47.85, which is the high from back here. And I think those two things, if it can stay above that, then we might very easily see 49.14. And then if we can break through that, I think we could make it up to 50.97 pretty easily. But at that point, you're at a high enough trend or a high enough extension that that's the same movement as from here to here. So we might see quite a bit of resistance when we get there. And then we might see it come back down a little bit. And I'm not sure if that will happen or not. If it does, then we'll see another down movement a little bit that will present another dip for potentially a buy opportunity. But for now, let's watch tomorrow and see if it can break through these two levels. If not, then I think we will see it come back down here and potentially all the way back down to 45.68. So that is what I think AMC is going to do tomorrow. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time. Take care.